Good morning, students. The next topic which we will do today is knowledge about the Holocaust. Holocaust means, it's a noun, an act of mass destruction and loss of life. So, knowledge about the Holocaust, acts of mass destruction and loss of life. Information about Nazi practices had trickled out of Germany during the last year of regime. So the information about the practices which was done under Nazi government, it was trickled out of Germany during the last years of the regime, then when the government was during its last year. But it was only after the war ended and Germany was defeated. When war was ended and Germany was defeated in that war, then only the information about the whatsoever these Nazi government is doing with people, the information about that is coming out of Germany. What had happened? Why so much terror is there in the people about Nazi for Hitler? While the Germans were preoccupied with their own plight as a defeat nation emerging out of the rubble, the Jewish wanted the world to remember the atrocities and sufferings they had endured during the Nazi killing operation, also called the Holocaust. Now, when Germans, they were preoccupied, they were busy with their own plight because they lost the battle, they they were defeated in war. Plight means, it's a noun, a situation from which releasing is difficult. So Germany was in the situation from where it is difficult to come out. So while Germans, they were preoccupied with their own plight as defeated nation, because Germany was defeated nation after the war, and they were unable to come out of that situation. And on the other hand, the Jewish, they wanted that the world would remember the atrocities and the sufferings which they had suffered during Nazi killing operations. So these Nazi killing operations were also called Holocaust. At its height, a ghetto inhabitant had said to another that he wanted to outlive the war just for a half an hour. Presumably, he meant that he wanted to be able to tell the world about what had happened in Nazi Germany. Now, at its height, when this is too much, the one of the ghetto inhabitant who used to live in a ghetto, he said that he wanted to outlive the war. He wanted that war should be continued just for half an hour, so that he would be able to tell the world that what had happened in Nazi Germany, what kind of behavior they were doing with them. So this indomitable is an adjective and the meaning is impossible to defeat. So this indomitable spirit to bear witness and preserve the document can be seen in many ghetto and camp inhabitants who wrote diaries, kept notebooks and created archives. So many people, those who were living in ghettos, they were very brave how they preserve some documents which can be seen in many ghettos and the camp where these undesirables were living. So they used to write some diaries, notebooks, and they created archives in which everything is written, how they had been treated in Nazi Germany, what had happened with them in Nazi Germany. And on the other hand, when the war seemed lost, the Nazi leadership distributed patrol to its functionary to destroy all incriminating evidence available in office. And on the other hand, when Germany, they got to know now they are going to lose the war. Now what they did? They distributed patrol to its officials, to its functionaries, and told them to destroy all the evidences which is available in office. So they destroy all the evidences. Yet the history and the memories of Holocaust live on in memoirs, fictions, documentaries, poetry, memorials, and museums to many parts of the world today. Yet even the functionaries, they put fire they put petrol, they use petrol to burn all the things, all the evidences in offices. But still, in today, we get to know about those Holocaust through memoir, fictions, documentaries, and museums. So these are tribute to those who resisted it, an embarrassing reminder to those who collaborated, and a warning to those who watched in silence. So this kind of thing it's a tribute to the people, those who resisted against this kind of treatment, and a embarrassing reminder for those who collaborated, who were doing the same thing with them, and a warning for the people, those who just was a spectator, those who just watched in silence, did nothing.